In this particular video, we will be going to discuss about a sentimental analysis using Python. Okay, so we will just try to understand, we'll just try to break down process of sentimental analysis using NLP step by step. Detailed understanding, detailed explanation you will be getting at each stage. Even clarity, get more clarity. This is a use case, okay? Use case like sentimental analysis using NLP, natural language processing. Before going to the depth, what is the sentimental analysis and all? So first try to understand which problem statement basically comes into the picture, so that we can able to understand what problem statement you can try to correlate. All right, this makes a clear idea. So first try to make a breakdown what this particular understanding with the use case problem statement is all about. First, imagine you are running online store. Okay, imagine you are running an online store. You have received the thousands of customer reviews every month. Okay, so these reviews are valuable because they tell you what customers think about your product. But reading and analyzing each review manually is a time consuming and not feasible. Okay, so what if you could automate this particular process quickly, so that it will understand overall sentiment, whether the customers are happy, neutral, or dissatisfied. Okay, this is where the natural language process comes in, right? So by applying this sentiment analysis, you can automatically categorize these reviews as a positive, negative, or neutral. This help you to make informed decision about your product. I will try to make a just kind of an outline, so that you will get a broader picture. This is a particular problem statement. Oh, this is a sentiment analysis is all about, so that you will able to understand what is this particular problem statement is things. Okay, so imagine. Okay, I will just trying to outline. Imagine you are running online store. If you are running an online store, there will be a might of you are running an online store, and you receive thousands of customers. Okay, you receive thousands of customer reviews every month. You receive you receive thousands of reviews from customers. Receive thousands of reviews from customers. Okay, you receive thousands of reviews from customers. These reviews are valuable because this will tell you what customers think about our product. Okay, so like this, you receive thousands of reviews from the customer. Then this reviews will tells what customer think about your product. What customer think about your products. Customer think about your what customer will think about your product. Okay, so what if you could like these are the things. What if you could automate this process? Okay, what if you could automate quickly the overall sentiment, whether you quickly understand overall sentiment process, automate process for overall sentiment, whether the customers are happy, whether happy, sad, or neutral, whether the customer are happy, sad, and neutral. Okay. What if we could automate this process for overall sentiment, where whether the customers are happy, sad, or neutral after purchasing this our product? Okay. So this is a kind of a problem statement that this sentimental analysis is all about. Okay. I hope this gives a broader picture about the problem statement. Okay. What do you think? keep keep commenting in the description what you think about it. Sentiment analysis, did you understood about the problem statement, the things overally? Okay, overally. So what we'll be going to cover in the next particular video. Okay, so try to think over it. Till then we'll be having understanding. In the next video what we'll be going to do is we'll applying this concept in real world example, okay, applying concept in real world, okay, applying concept real world using the Python programming language. How should you think about it? How should you think logically, and all the stuffs we'll be going to discuss. Parallelly, we will be thinking about the how you will be whenever you are hired as a developer. Now the things has changed, okay. How the companies are looking for a fresher guys is very structurally. Okay, I have been there. Okay, now I've been seeing the kind of a things. So, try to understand why I'm creating this content and why I'm creating this clean code kind of a session. In the parallel, also I'm doing that. So, try to correlate that as well. Okay, so that makes you as a great developer, a great programmer. So, this is all about. So, in the next video, we'll be going to discuss about how we can apply this concept in real world. Okay, that's it.